Hi everyone, happy Monday. It's April. I can't believe it. I had a few April Fool's Day late tricks done on me today by some choice third graders in this class. So I'm glad that they were able to have a great weekend, enjoy April Fools. Maybe you played an April Fool's prank on your kids. Maybe they played one on you. But I hope you really did have a great weekend. I can't believe this Wednesday is the last day of our marking period. So that means that we're wrapping a lot of things up. We're wrapping up reading and writing and math and science and social studies. So probably the biggest thing that's going to happen between now and the end of the marking period is what we're doing here in math. We're almost done this unit. We are working on polygons and we're talking about all their different attributes, so the characteristics of different polygons. So we went from perimeter to area, and now we're working on these polygons. So these last couple investigation units have been all about triangles. And today we talked about what makes a triangle, what doesn't make a triangle, and that's what's for homework tonight. So just a couple little reminders when you're working on the homework. All triangles have three things, okay? As we know, tri means three, so hence the name triangle. So if I make just a nice fancy little triangle right here. So all triangles have three things, okay? They have three sides. And as we talked about today, the sides can't be curved, okay? So they all have to be straight sides. Now, mine might not be perfect, but it's as good as probably it's going to get. I know today we had an example of a triangle that kind of looked like this, all right? Where they had it was like a curved side. And a lot of students were like, well, it's a triangle because we talked about all the three characteristics of the triangle. But because even though this does have three sides, it's not a triangle because the sides are curved. So all the sides, they have to be straight. So three sides, make sure they are straight, okay? And another thing is that all triangles have vertices, which is a fancy word for corner. So that's where the sides meet. So right up here, I'll kind of make a little dot on our vertices here, okay? So we have three vertices. So this is a triangle because it has three vertices. So the vertice, the corner happens when two sides meet, and it's going to be pointed, okay? It's going to be like a pointy corner. Think about the edge of a piece of paper, let's say, okay? So they have to have three sides. They have three vertices, or corners, okay? Three vertices, and they also have three angles. Now, the angle is on the inside here, okay? So kind of where I'm drawing these. They also have three angles, okay? So when you are working on your homework tonight, you have to ask yourself, does this triangle have three straight sides? Does it have three vertices or corners? Does it have three angles? If it does not meet all of these three things, then it's not a triangle, okay? So a couple other different things is if it's open, like there's something, it's an open polygon. So maybe, for example, kind of something like this, okay, where it's not totally complete. That's not a triangle because it's not complete. Maybe it does something like this, where it crosses over, where the sides are too long. That's also not a triangle, okay? So again, just got to remember, we've got three straight sides, three vertices, and three angles. If your triangle has all those things, then, or your shape, then it's triangle. If it doesn't, it's not a triangle, okay? So that's the biggest thing. Just wanted to go over with you about triangles today. If you have any difficulty with homework, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to go over it with you either one-on-one tomorrow, or if a lot of students are having difficulty, I can go over it together as a class, okay? So that's that. I hope you guys have a good night. Looks like the sun is trying to peek back out, but get your homework done, go out and play, have a great night, and I will see everyone in the morning. Bye.